Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend and ready for the cracking crafting week. Today I want to showcase my brand new kit. It's called John 2 John the Giraffe Part 2, and is another kit that I've designed follow the lots of requests from you guys that I know you love John the Giraffe Part 1. So I got the kit here because I thought, right, let me quickly showcase this as well. So this John the Giraffe is my number 3 bestseller on my website. It's a collection full of John. So he's John on different background. We got some tags, some butterflies, some 2 like half pages, tags, 2 half pages, or you can use this a, you can either do like a journal cover because it's front and back, pillow box, envelope, pockets, a cube gift box. I've got 4 cards background and another full background. So these are available on my website as well. Just simply type John, you will see those 2. And this is literally, I just made it, designed it and printed it off, literally like hot the press. So this kit is John, but more like on a wintry color. So I just put hats and scarves. Okay, so you've got 2 half pages, full background, 4 different background pages merge into one, and I position John in different ways. So hopefully I give you some ideas. This is what we're going to use today. So what I wanted to do with this is create some staggered layered pockets. So I'm gonna put this page aside, a full John background, just a plain background, which is a collage of different ephemera, which again I will use this today. Some tags, an envelope. So this is the 2 sides. That's the top and that's the bottom that you fold over. And then again, another full background with some lovely blues and purples. So what I wanted to show you, so I want to use these here to create some pockets. Now I'm gonna get my trimmer out. There it is. I'm just going to get rid of the white border that I get when I print my pages. I print this on a thin cardstock. So it's not paper, it's cardstock, okay? So, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim this in half. Let me just check what's the measurement. So this is 28.5. So that's 14 and a bit. So just chop that in half, and then I'm going to cut this as well. I use the trimmer because I find it quicker than just fussy cut. And because when I design those, I put them in a way that, as you can see, you just need to go through your trim at once and everything is lined up for you. Just 2 more cuts. About there. And there. Okay. And then I've got my inch. So this is probably too, would that be too big? Yeah. So I think I'm going to, I should measure really, shouldn't I? So let's find the center of, so that's 20 centimeters. So 14.5, that's 7 and 25. 7, 25, like so. So that's kind of the center. And then we're going to do the same on this one. kind of there. And with this, I'm just gonna fussy cut this because, yeah, it's a bit too big. Okay, perfect. You see how quick and easy it is? Very. So I'm gonna do it off camera. I'm going to go and ink up. I'm gonna use my favorite distress oxide. It's vintage photo. I'm gonna sponge all the edges. Oh, look at that. Look what precision. Yeah, so all the hard work is done for you guys. So you can use that as a one pocket, and then you can layer, we can lay that on top. Okay, so I think we're going to do that. And then on this one here, we're just going to have one. You can either do, no, I think I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, right, let me ink up everything and I will be right back. Okay, so everything is being inked up, so I'm just going to do this first. Now you can use glue, but as you guys know, I am a quicker crafter, so I prefer that double-sided tape. I'll just do one at a time. I mean, I'm not doing bad. I think we're already like 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So that's not too bad. So I'm trying to make my video not too long, because I'm fully conscious that you guys don't just have me to watch. So you've got loads of different creators to watch. Now, this page is going to be attached to my journal. Okay, so I'm not bothered about the back being white, but you've got one pocket there, very large one actually as well. Okay, and then the second page, we're gonna stagger them. So we're going to do this first. Again, just put double-sided tape or glue as you wish. With a double-sided, you know that you're going to measure kind of the part that you're going to attach. So if you use glue, the glue might go over, so you've got a thicker space. With the double-sided tape, the areas that you're going to lose out of the pocket is controlled. So now I just need to make sure that the front pocket will cover. That's it, perfect. So just about that. Okay. We're going to trim a little bit. We'll do that in a minute, and then we do the last part. Very quick and easy this. You don't have to think about anything, you don't have to measure anything, because I have done it all for you. I love projects like this that I don't have to think. I mean, I was thinking when I was designing it. So my thinking is going into the design process. Okay, perfect. Right, let me tidy up the desk. I need to trim this bit here. I'm just using one of my horrible scissors when I need to cut adhesive or glues, etc. And this side here. Perfect. Okay, done. So we have one pocket here, one pocket there, and then on this one, just one there. What do you guys think? Do you think we need John there as well? Should I cut? Yeah, I think we need him. So I'm just gonna chop him from his pocket. And then we're going to put it needs to be trimmed a little bit, so I get my perfect. So again, double-sided tape for speediness. I'm not gonna ink up this because I wanted to feel that it's part of the design. I want him to blend. Okay. I'm hoping he's under, I think we are on 12 minutes. Or something like that. So what do you guys think? Oh, in fact, it's the same image, I just realized. Completely unintentional. But yeah, so that's how you make some staggered pockets on a page ready to go in your journal. So you can fill them with ephemera. Okay, guys, I'm going to go super easy as promised. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as we say here. Guys, I'm going to go. I will put the link down below of John number 2 and John number 1, the original one, in case you guys want to get your hands on this. You can go further and decorate these pockets with some lace. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that off camera. Yeah, I think they need something. I'm gonna do that off camera. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I really truly appreciate your love and support, because every time you guys interact with my channel, YouTube gets a little notification to say that I'm doing something right. Honestly, guys, thank you so much to every single one of you. Your love and support is always much appreciated. Have a wonderful day, and until next Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.